I'm Kevin, and we just finished a 2-day class with Vivienne. First of the live classes, and I'm back for them. I think it's like my 10th class with her. But it was a design your own program, and it was amazing because there were only 5 stylists. And so it was a lot of one-on-one attention from Vivienne. What I did for myself was I was designing a collection for my new salon. So what I put in extensions, blended them with a razor, with shears. It was amazing techniques that I learned. I'm really excited to get back and implement those because I'm doing a lot of extension work. I also did a collection of haircuts, so doing a lot of wash and go, which is amazing because I perfected with Vivienne some of the wash and go looks where my clients can actually go home, let their hair dry and look fabulous, which is a huge thing. And then the final thing we did was the absolute pinnacle of haircuts to me, the graduated bob, which I return to every time I work with her and every time I learn something new about it. And I fail a little and then I succeed a lot and then I fail a little bit and I succeed a lot. So anyway, it was just an amazing, it's always some sort of transcendent experience when I'm here. So I hope that everybody who wants to come to classes here gets to come to classes here because they're incredible. It sort of made me the stylist that I am. All right, bye guys.